All right, knife is out. I do have a big spoon. Definitely can't eat this as a sandwich to start, so let's have some of the pork.
Come on, Randy.
That is good. And the coleslaw is gonna help get it down too. I am down for the very first time in Irondale, Alabama, which is just outside of Birmingham. We are all here at Golden Rule Barbecue. This place has been around since 1891, which is forever. The owner's name is now Brian, yes. So thanks to him and his team for having me in. I'm hoping to become just the 6th person to dominate their Big Pig Barbecue Pulled Pork Sandwich Challenge. This challenge has not been around for too long, a couple years. Over 75 people have tried and failed. Only 5 people have actually been able to finish. My friend Big Eater Mike, who I did a challenge with a long time ago in Texas, he's got the record, which is 17 minutes and 58 seconds. I've got 45 minutes to finish everything. This is freaking massive. It's a little bit bigger than I was thinking. There is about 2 to 2.5 pounds of their homemade or home smoked pulled pork. So many people get the pulled pork here. They're very known for all their pork products, their ribs, and they also have beef brisket, so many things. I'm sure they've got great sausage as well. We've got a whole bunch of pulled pork. It is all topped with their homemade coleslaw, which is vinegar based, and there's about a pound of their original barbecue sauce. I guess there's a whole bunch of different barbecue sauce options that they have here. With me, I've got their original white sauce and then their original barbecue sauce, which is actually on this pulled pork sandwich. They've got the bun, and then we've got about a pound of fries here. This is actually optional. I was walking around greeting everybody here, and so many people were enjoying the mac and cheese that I wanted to show that off in the video and try it. This is what I've got here, and then I'm also gonna try to finish that within the 45 minutes. If I fail, this is the crazy part, it's only $24.95 plus tax, which is a great deal. But if I do win, I'll get my entire meal for free. I will get another sweet t-shirt to add to my collection, and I will be the 6th person up on the Wall of Fame. All right, these look like loaded fries, but it's because there was so much on the sandwich that came off. I will say this pork is going down a lot faster than that pulled pork sandwich challenge I lost at Oklahoma Smoke Barbecue in the Oklahoma City area. We're 7 minutes and 20 seconds in. Let's keep going. My friend here who's been following forever wants me to try this 140 calories per 2 tablespoons white sauce. So let's do some of that just for him. It looks good. Oh yeah, that is good. I will say this is not my typical strategy. I usually do the fries last, sandwich first. I can't tell you why I'm doing this, but we're gonna finish it and see what happens.
Oh yeah.
Thankfully, the scooter burger challenge from last night is all the way down, so it's not messing me up today. All right, 10:20 in. Let's see what we can do. Let's go ahead and cut this. And can I please get a Coke Zero or a Diet Coke, please? With no ice. Well, look at you. All right. Thank you. The service here at Golden Rule Barbecue is crazy. All right, I think I ate a good portion of the pulled pork, so this should go down.
You got it.
Yeah.
I do like the bread. I doubt that the bread is home baked here. It's not baked here, is it? Probably not, yeah. But they focus on their meats, and they do a hell of a job with that. This pulled pork's awesome. We're 14 minutes and 23 seconds in.
Come on, Randy.
Still feeling good. I don't know about the actual record, 17:58, but we'll definitely set a good time. I shouldn't be too worried about how many calories are in the sauce, considering I might be having some banana pudding after I'm all done here. To be fair, I was never expecting to break the record from the beginning, and I don't think we are. We're 17:38 in now. We're still doing a wonderful job. 45-minute time limit. Now that we're pretty much 19 minutes in, obviously didn't get the record, let's try some of this delicious looking mac and cheese.
About to change your life.
Oh, it looks like it. And my arteries. Am I making it look easy? Is anybody gonna try it after me? This has been a very good sandwich, but I'm happy to soon be done. 23 and a half minutes in.
Yes, sir.
Ooh. 24 minutes and 9 seconds is not the record, but I am very happy with that time.